Our Simon Says Stamp Basic Box Card die is a really fun and interactive die that allows you to make a dimensional card that fits inside of an A2 envelope. This die is very simple to use, and I'll walk you through the steps on how you can use the dies that are included in this set to make a dimensional box card, and then how you can also use coordinating insert die sets to add decorative elements inside of your box card. The basic box card die comes with 3 individual dies. You're going to want to cut these 3 apart. They come assembled as one piece. After you've cut the dies apart, you'll have 2 frame pieces which fit inside of one of the panels of the basic box card main die. The larger panel will make a thinner frame, and the smaller panel will allow your box card to have a slightly thicker frame. To start off, you're going to want to die cut the main die twice from either pattern paper or cardstock. If you look closely, you can see that there are score lines created on the middle section and also creating a small tab at the far end of the panel. Once you've picked out your frame, you're going to lay it on top of one of the panels. We're only going to cut this frame into one of our 2 panels. I like using a bit of tape to hold the die in place while I run this through the die cut machine to make sure it doesn't shift, because I want this to be nice and straight inside of those 2 score lines. On those score lines, you're going to want to make sure you fold over both the middle fold and also the small tab. I recommend using a bone folder to help crease those folds so that they're nice and crisp, and they'll form a really nice 90-degree angle. You're going to be doing the folding on both panels, both the plain panel and also the panel that we've cut a frame out of. Next, we need to work on adding some adhesive. You only need 2 lines of adhesive, either with a liquid glue or a double-sided tape. And if you're using double-sided tape, I recommend a 1/8 inch tape. You're going to put your adhesive on the 2 tabs that were created when we fold over on that far score line. If you're using double-sided tape, remove the release paper from one panel only. Then you're going to lay your other panel on top of that tab and line these up so that way they form a 90-degree angle. And you can see here, where the other tab gets adhered down to the other panel, that's going to close up the box and we're going to have our dimensional card. But we're not ready to do that just yet, because I want to use some of the insert dies to create some nice embellishments inside of my card. Some of our Simon Says Stamp Basic Box Card embellishments include the basic box card clouds and hearts. I'm going to be using the hearts for today's example. I'm going to die cut those inserts from a variety of colored cardstocks, glitter papers, or whatever paper you prefer. Each of these inserts have little tabs on the sides that you're going to want to fold over so that way those will adhere to the inside of your box card. I'm using double-sided tape, but you could use liquid glue as well. Add your adhesive onto the tabs and then adhere one tab only to the inside of your box card. You're going to adhere it to one of the side folds. In between the 2 score lines is where you want to keep your elements, because those need to be attached to either side of the box card. You're going to want to space these out as far apart or as close together as you prefer. You can fill your box card with almost as many inserts as can fit inside. So as you can see, we have a stack of inserts attached to one side of our box card. To attach it to the other side, I recommend folding these completely flat and bringing the other side of the box card over and slowly picking up one insert at a time. I find this provides the most even distribution and the most accurate placement of the inserts inside of the box card. So one at a time, slowly remove the release paper off the back of your adhesive, fold over the other side of the box card, and pick up the insert. And you can see how these are getting spaced out in our card. Once you've picked up all the inserts in your box card, you're going to want to remove the release paper on the final tab that's going to close up the entire box and lay your other side of the box card on top of it, closing up the box card, and then you can go ahead and pop it open to reveal our really cute dimensional card. You can decorate your box card in further detail if you prefer. You can add a panel to write on the back side, and the best part is that this box card folds completely flat so you can put it inside of an A2 envelope with no trouble. I hope that this quick tip video has been helpful in learning how to assemble our basic box card die and how you can use it with the coordinating inserts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for additional crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you again very soon. Bye!